Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to create a Google form. First, open up your Google Chrome and after that, click on the search bar and type google.com. Then sign into your Google account if you are not already signed in. After that, navigate to the top right corner and here click on these dots. Now scroll down till the end and here click on Forms. Now you have various options for creating templates such as contact information, party invites, and more. You can also click on a blank sign or access the template gallery for more choices. Now I will choose the blank template. Here you can input your questions like name, and after that click on multiple choice, and here you will find options for short answers, paragraphs, checkboxes, file uploads, and more. So because it is a name, I am selecting the short answer format. Once done, now click on the plus icon on the right side to add more questions, such as your email address, and again select the short answer. Then again simply click on the plus icon to add more questions, and you can type any questions you would like here. Here I am typing do you like the blog, and this time select multiple choice. So for option 1 I will choose yes, and for add option I am choosing no. Also you can toggle on required, making it necessary to fill and submit the form. Once you are done with this, now go to the top right corner and click on the customized theme. Here you can select an image for the header. For example, if you choose work and school, you will find many options available. So I selected this one and then click on insert. Moreover, you can also select the theme color over here. You can also select the text style. I am selecting play fair display. Once done, then simply click on the send button at the top right corner. You can either send this via email or create a link to share it. Also, you can keep this link for yourself and share it later as needed. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.